हाउ पर वीयर। तो आज देखा आम SGP2 ठीक अच्छे SGP1 आम तुमने देखिपर फास्ट वीडियो रे आम आलोचना करवा SGP2 ठीक अच्छे SGP1 आपने फास्ट वीडियो देखिपारे टिकलू महंत सार चैनल ठीक अच्छे। SGP2 one day the rich man took his son to the poor people living in small huts down the hills। दिने धनिक जनक तांको पुत्र को सही पहाड़ तले बास करुवा गरीब चाषी मान पाखक नहीं गले। He had in his mind to show his son how rich he was in contrast to the poor farmers। ठीक अच्छे तांकर उद्देश्य थिला जे तांको पुत्र को जणाइबे जे गरीब चाषी मानक तुलना रे से केते धनी। He thought this would work like medicine for his son sadness। से भाबुतिले जे परी कथा तांकर पुअर दुख हटाइबारे औषध स्वरूप काम करिवो। When his son would see these poor people living in small huts, his sadness would disappear। जेतेबेले तांको पुओ देखिबो जे से गरीब लोक मैंने छोट छोट कुड़िया घरे बास करुछंती तार दुख दूर होइजिवो। He would realize how privileged he was in contrast to those poor farmers। ताले से उपलब्ध करिवो जे से गरीब चाषी मानक तुलना रे से केते सुविधा भोगी। In a beautiful car he took him all around। गोटे सुंदर कार रे से ताकू सबु आड़ को बुलाई देखाई देले। He made him see the poor farmer living in wretched condition। से ताकू गरीब लोक माने दुष्ट अवस्था रे रहुथिबार देखाई देवार व्यवस्था कराई देले। For the first time his son who lived like a prisoner in a big house got the chance to see the outside world। प्रथम थर पाई बृहत प्रासाद रे बंदी भली रहउतबा पोडी बाह्य दुनिया देखिबार सुजोग पाइला। Throughout the tour his father was telling how these poor people were living in great difficulty। भ्रमण समय सारा तार बापा ताकू से दरिद्र लोक मैंने किभली भीषण सुविधा रोचंती से कथा कही चलिले। On his way back very satisfied he asked his son, did you see how poor the farmers are। खूब संतुष्ट होई फेरंता बाटरे से पुत्र को पचारे देखिलु केते गरीब से चाषी गुड़ाक। What did you learn from this? His son sadly replied। सेथिरु कौन जानिलु तांको पुत्र दुखरे उत्तर देला। We have one dog, they have four। We have one dog, they have four। आमर गोटे कुकुर अच्छी से तो चारोटी। We have a pool but they have rivers। आमर गोटे जलाशय पोखरी अच्छी किंतु सेमानंकर तो नदी अच्छी। We have artificial lamps but they have the moon and stars। आम पाखरे अच्छी कृत्रिम आलुओ किंतु सेमानंकर अच्छी जह्न तारागण। We buy food they grow theirs। आमे खाद्य किणुचे से खाद्य उत्पादन करुचंती। We have walls to protect us they have friends। आम सुरक्षा पाई पाचेरी अच्छी किंतु साथी मैंने अच्छी। We have encyclopedias they have bibles। आमर अच्छी ज्ञानकोश से अच्छी बाइबल। Thank you dad for showing me। बापा धन्यवाद तुम्हें मते सब देखाई देल। हाउ पर वी आर सतरे आम केते गरीब। रियली आई वांट टू लिव विथ देम देयर। मु सेमानंक सहित सेटारे बास करने को चाहे। तो यही तुम सार कथा हाउ पुअर वी आर धनी व्यक्ति को तांको पुओ गोटे भल लेसनटे शिखाइले ताले एबे देखिदेबा एबे हमर कम्प्रिहेंशन क्वेश्चन गुड़ाक ठीक अच्छे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन व्हाट डिड द रिच मैन टेक हिज सन वन डे ठीक अच्छे। तो आंसर होची वन डे द रिच मैन टुक हिज सन टू द पोर मैन हु लिव्ड इन स्मॉल हट्स डाउन द हिल्स। सेकंड क्वेश्चन what did he have in his mind? Okay, the rich man had an intention in his mind to show his son his richness in contrast to the poor farmer. Question number 3, what does the word this stand for the third line? How rich? This refers to richness of the rich man in contrast to the poor farmers. Question number 4, what did the rich man think of this? The rich man thought that the comparison between his richness and farmer's poverty would act as medicine for his son's sadness. Question number 5, when would the son's sadness disappear? The rich man thought when his son would compare his richness with the poor farmer's, his son's sadness would disappear. Question number 6, what would he realize? After seeing the poor farmers, the son would realize how privileged he was in comparison to the poor farmers. Question number 7, in which car did he take his son all around? The rich man took his son all around in a beautiful car. Question number 8, what did he make his son see? The rich man made his son see the rest condition of the poor farmer. Question number 9, how did the son live in a big house? The son lived like a prisoner in a big house. Question number 10, what was his father telling him all the time? The rich man always told his son how the poor farmers were living a troublesome life. Question number 11, was the father happy on his way back? Which word tells you so? The rich man was very happy on his way back. The word satisfied tells us so. Question number 12. The rich man's happiness got doubled to see the poor farmers. What about his son? He was happy or unhappy? The son becomes sad to see the poor farmers and their rich living condition. Okay. Question number 13, who does we stand for in the line we have? In this line we refer to the rich man and his family. Question number 14, who are richer in having pools, the poor farmers or the rich men? How? The poor farmers are richer than the rich men in having pools because the rich man has one pool whereas the poor farmers use rivers as their pools. Okay. Question number 15, what look better, the artificial lamps or the stars? The star at night looks better than the artificial lamps because starlight is brighter and scattered all around the sky. Question number 16, who buy food? Okay, the rich man and his son buy food. Question number 17, who grow their own food? The poor farmers grow their own food. Question number 18, what does the rich man have to protect him and his family? The rich man has wall to protect him and his family. Question number 19, who do the poor farmers have to protect them? The poor farmers have friends to protect them. Okay. Question number 20, friends or walls, which of these two can give someone real protection? Friends can give someone real protection. Question number 21, what was the feeling of the son? The feeling of the son was that they themselves are really very poor compared to the poor farmers. Okay. Question number 22, what did he want to do? he, the son, wanted to live with the poor farmers. Question number 23. The father and the son look at things in different ways. In other words, their attitude to life is different. Whose attitude or way of looking at the things is better? The son attitude or way of looking at things is better than his luxurious father. Okay.